Hey, what's up everyone? It's day 5 of our trip to Mongolia. Yesterday we checked into Ulaanbaatar, this beautiful gear camp, and we have a great time. The staff lit up the traditional heater for our room at night. The following day, after breakfast, we put on the traditional costume for photography, and after that, our coach brought us to Chinggis Khan Statue complex, which took about half an hour to reach. As we approached the main complex, we could see the massive equestrian statue of Genghis Khan in the distance. Once inside, we were welcomed by some modern sculptures and the famous giant boot further in. We took some photos at this 9 meters high Mongolian boot, which is a significant symbol for the Mongolian culture. Then we descend one floor down by using the stairs to the museum. Over here, there are archaeological findings from the Bronze Age to the artifacts related to the Xionglu Empire.
The Jammu, there was the best friend. So, at the 13th century, before the Genghis Khan united the Mongol Empire, there was two powerhouses. It was the one Jammu and the Temujin. There was best friends, but there was the Jammu. So there is one very famous words of him. In the sky, there won't be two suns. So in the Mongols, there won't be two kings. So that's why they fight each other. And Genghis Khan killed Jammu without any single spilling. That's the most respectful death in Mongolia. Breaking the backbone. And then the Genghis Khan got the old king of Mongolia. It's very tall. He was the bodyguard of the king. Also, he was carrying his.
The highlight of this visit is of course to get a close-up photo with the Chinggis Khan statue at the horse head. There's an elevator leading up, but we choose to climb the flights because there are just too many people. At the top is a platform offering an excellent view of the Genghis Khan statues and the surrounding area.
Okay, wait, let me get out of the way.
If you position yourself face away from the statue and then look to the direction of about 2 o'clock, you will see the statues of Genghis Khan's mother gazing back towards her son. We only stay for a short while at the household because there are many people and the space was limited. So we decided to visit the souvenir shop on the same floor. So I returned to the ground floor, left the complex, admired the entire structure from outside. The statues stand on a 10 meters high base surrounded by 36 columns representing the 36 kings of Mongolia. It is world's largest equestrian statue of Genghis Khan, 40 meters high, made with 250 tons of stainless steel. It was erected in 2008 to commemorate the 800th anniversary of the Mongol Empire. While I walked back to the coach, I noticed the main entrance, and on top of the entrance, there were some statues of 9 generals of Genghis Khan. Our next stop after the Genghis Khan Statue complex is the Zaisan's Memorial Hill at Ulaanbaatar. There's a Soviet T-34 tank memorial in front of the Zaisan Hill complex. We went up to the top floor of the mall, crossed the glass bridge. Then we had to climb about a few hundred steps to reach the top of the memorial hill. The eye-catching circular memorial structure at the hill summit is the main attraction. The structure is a colossal painting portraying the Soviet and Mongolian soldiers triumphing over the Nazis and the Japanese forces in World War II. Over here, there is a picturesque panoramic view of the city of Ulaanbaatar. This is the center of the town, is it?
Not really.
Outside a little bit.
Yeah, it's inside the town. Center will be there.
For tonight's dinner, we enjoy a traditional hot pot dinner in one of the top restaurants. And after that, we return to Holiday Inn in Ulaanbaatar to spend the night. Tomorrow will be our last day in Mongolia, and we plan to visit several more notable places in the city, so stay tuned for more updates.